You know that moment when someone says, "Can you just make a quick presentation?" and your soul leaves your body? Yeah, that was me, until I found this tool. It writes full, clean, professional-looking slides in like 5 seconds. No templates, no dragging boxes around. You literally just type what it's about, and boom, instant slides. Let me show you. This is not clickbait. The tool is called Gamma, and it uses AI to build your presentation from scratch. No PowerPoint, no Canva, no stress. It's like ChatGPT, but with design skills. Here's how it works. Go to gamma.app and sign in with a free account. Click Generate with AI. Type what your presentation is about, like how to train your cat to use Zoom. Choose a format, presentation, doc, or web page. Hit Generate and wait literally 5 seconds. Now look at that. Slides, design, images, structure. It even adds section titles and talking points. You can tweak anything, but honestly, it's already good enough to present. This saved me hours. And the best part? It doesn't just copy-paste info. It writes it like a human. It's like having a designer and a writer in your pocket. For free. Well, mostly free. There's a pro version, but the free one is more than enough for most people. If you're a student, a manager, a freelancer, or just someone who gets anxiety when they hear the word deck, this is your new best friend. If this saved you even 5 minutes of your life, go ahead and tap that like button, so YouTube shows it to someone else drowning in PowerPoint hell. And if you want more tech shortcuts for real people, hit subscribe. I've got more tools coming your way, all explained simply. No tech jargon, ever.